Hi friends, Namaste. I am Satishkumar. Friends, in this video, I am giving you 22 ways to earn money online. Earning money in online is not an easy task. But if you have talent, if you have passion, you can earn money online. So, here are the 22 best ways to earn money online. Number 1, YouTube. Friends, you can earn money in online by opening your own YouTube channel. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3, Facebook. Friends, you can earn money from Facebook also. Create one official Facebook page, then monetize it. You can earn money also from instant articles. Number 4, blogging and content writing. Number 5, freelancing. Number 6, stock trading. Number 7, by becoming the Instagram influencer or social media influencer. Number 8, online teaching and training. Friends, if you have knowledge, if you have training ability, if you have teaching ability, then you can earn money by online teaching and online training. Number 9, online consultancy. Friends, if you are a professional, I mean, if you are a doctor, if you are an advocate, if you are a CA, any profession, then build social media presence. Create your own YouTube channel, create your Instagram account, create your Facebook page, then post valuable contents on social media and build your social media presence. When you create your social media presence, then people approaches you, people contact you to get direct consultancy from you. By giving consultancy services, you can earn money in online. Try it. Number 10, digital marketing services. Friends, if you have digital marketing knowledge, I mean how digital media works, how to sell products in online, how to monetize pages, how to run paid Facebook ads, paid YouTube ads, paid Google ads. If you have this kind of skills, this kind of knowledge, then you can give digital marketing services to the business owners who need it. So, digital marketing is also best way to earn money in online. Number 11, you can earn money in online by selling anything. Friends, if you have your own product, then sell it in online and earn money. If you don't have your own product, then sell others' products, then sell other services and earn money. Through e-commerce, you can earn good amount of money in online. Number 12, online courses. Friends, if you are good at something, then prepare one online course and sell it and earn money from it. Number 13, ebook selling. Write one ebook and sell it on Amazon Books, Google Books and earn money. Number 14, stock selling. Friends, you can earn money in online by selling your stock images, stock video footages and stock music. Number 15, by web designing and web development. Number 16, mobile app development. Number 17, customer management. Friends, if you are good at communication skills, then you can earn money in online by customer handling. Lot of business owners are struggling to manage their customers. If you have ability to handle the customers through their phone calls and emails, then you can earn money through it. Handle the customers of the other business owners and earn money from them. Number 18, social media manager. Friends, if you have the social media knowledge, then you can earn money by becoming the social media manager. Here you have to do is manage the social media pages of others. I mean, manage the Facebook pages, Instagram pages, YouTube channels of celebrities or business owners or other any person. Number 19, domain marketing. Number 20, online broker. Friends, if you have good knowledge of real estate, good knowledge of used cars, good knowledge of matrimony, then you can earn money by becoming the online broker. In cities, lot of people are struggling to get rented homes, get rented rooms. Also, lot of homeowners, lot of room owners also struggling to get customers. I mean, get people to come to their home, come to their rooms. In that case, you can help them to get people room and get business owners clients. In this way, by becoming the room broker, becoming the home broker, becoming the used car broker, by becoming the real estate broker, you can earn a good amount of money. You can earn a good amount of money by becoming the online matrimony broker, marriage broker. So think over it and try it if you have the skills. Number 21, drop shipping. Friends, drop shipping is also good idea to earn money online. Number 22 and last, any business. Friends, you can earn money in online by doing any business. Any business which can be run in offline, that can also be run in online. So shift any offline business to online and earn money through it. Friends, according to my own experience, these are the best way to earn money online. I hope friends you will support me. If you want to support me, then please hit the like to this video and also subscribe to my channel. All the very best and thank you.